Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix error cache miss in Google Chrome. The first step is go to the start menu and type CMD. The best result back is command prompt, run. Right click and select run as administrator or hit enter. If you receive a user account control, click on yes. In this new window, type ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. And type net sh space ⴨sock space reset and hit enter. Just move restart your computer in the order to complete the reset. Close and go to the start menu and select restart and wait a moment. Login in your Windows and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.